Hey there, Lisa Wigfall here. I figured I'd just show you guys. I had just pulled out my peppermint plant from this pot. I was going to transplant it because it was getting pretty long. But when I started looking, I was like, it looks like there are more than one in here. So I figured I'm going to separate it, and then it may be able to grow a little easier. So the roots are kind of intertwined in here. So I'm going to just gently pull, find a way. Definitely right here. I'm going to just pull them apart. There's roots here and roots here, so let me just do a pull here somewhere. I don't want to just yank it. This is my friend, but let's just pull. Right here, I'm gonna pull it. This looks like 50%. I'm gonna snip it. My scissors here. All right, so I've seen videos where you just yank it, but you see how it is? Once it's set in the soil, it grew more roots there. So, and then this is a whole nother shoot. So basically it is two, potentially. I'm gonna just snip it. And now I'm gonna plant this one in here. Peppermint plant expands rapidly, so you do want to contain it in a pot. So you just find a pot, only put the peppermint plant in with it, because it doesn't like to have roots mixing with something else. And get it as deep as you can. And there you go. I'm going to trim the top because it's a little long and lanky already. Smells amazing. But here, the pot is deep enough, large enough, where it can thrive and grow. So that's it. I just wanted to quickly show you this. How you can divide a peppermint plant and grow more. That's it for today, as best as you can. Remember to live, love, laugh, and smile. Until next time, bye.